In this video, I'm going to show you an automation to automatically upload videos to YouTube with AI actually creating a title and a description based on the transcript of that video. So let's jump right in. We can see this automation here, and the way that it starts is by finding a file in a specific Google Drive. So I've got a new video here, automation tutorial, that I'd like to run this through. And we're actually going to click run and watch this live and see the process of what happens. So first it's identifying that file. It needs to actually find that file and then download a copy of it. So depending on your plan, this is something that you do need to be mindful of, the data storage that is required for this type of automation, because it is downloading quite high volumes of data. So you either need to be selective or you need to be on quite a high plan. The next part is we're using CloudConvert to actually convert that video file just to an MP3 version, because we want to get a transcription of it, but feeding this whole video file through to OpenAI's Whisper can be just too much for the system to handle. It has all those videos, which isn't necessary for the transcription. It just needs the audio. So we're converting it to an MP3 and then sending it through Whisper in OpenAI. So you do need an API account. This isn't just your normal ChatGPT $20 a month account. You pay per usage when using these services. So set up an API key at platform.openai.com, and then you'll be able to actually integrate and use this technology inside of automation tools like make.com. And if we click on this number 1 here, we should actually see the whole transcript of the video. And it's quite a comprehensive video. The next step is actually feeding that through ChatGPT with a specific prompt to format a title for this video and a description. And we can see the title here, send WordPress form submissions to Slack using make.com. And we've got a description there. And we are just passing that because we need to actually get individual variables to be able to insert that into the last module. So we can actually see in the output here, we've got a title and a description as 2 separate variables. That then gets uploaded to YouTube as a draft so that I can then log in, upload my thumbnail, make any changes that I'd like, keeping the human in the loop, and then click publish. And that's it. This is an automation that can really help you save so much time because it contextually uses the transcript of the video to generate a description using your information about who you are, the format of the description that you would like, and any other links, and then uploads it to YouTube for you to make any final adjustments and then publish. If you got any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.